I say that it's more tasty like if you don't wash it, but I don't know if it's really clean or not. So 本当にさ綺麗かわかんないじゃん。あとこれ普通ここ食べれるんですよ。硬いだけで。So this part is actually you can eatable. Like some people threw it away, but actually eatable. I'm not gonna use it today, but 今日も私も使わないけど硬いから it's hard to chew. So よいしょと。だけだしね。It's okay. どうしようかな。切った方がさ、火通りやすいよね。I'm gonna just cut it off. Hello, what are you cooking today? Hey DJ, how are you doing? I am making some wing, the chicken wing karaage and mushroom karaage, maybe. So usually just when I do some like deep fried, thing, I just usually use this all time. It's easy. It makes things easy. だってさ、その方がなんか楽じゃないですか。こういう袋を使った方が。だからいつも。Lucian, right? I know. Hi, how are you doing? Hold on, what is that? I don't know the name. I'm going to see the computer to read the name. Maribel Abrova. What? I cannot see your name yet. On my computer. I think there is some delay maybe. Delay があるのかも。Anyway, 油もったいないからこのまま多分お肉のしたら美味しいと思うから。I thank you very much for the follow. I think I'm going to use this pan instead. I think the oil is quite good, so. ペーパーを引いて。油を落としていきましょう。少しね。滑る。ちょっと柔らかめになってます。The meat is quite soft. But the side part is probably crunchy. The skin part. 多分こっちにごまかけよう。ごまだれってレシピあるからなんか。Are there any good ごまだれレシピ? I think I ごまだれ。ごまだれで調べるから。美味しそうなやつごまだれ。ドレッシング。Okay, dressing. 手作り。何手作りトマごまドレッシング。美味しそうじゃん。いやでも難しそう。オイスターソースなんてないしな。あれやろオイスターソースと白ごま醤油。蜂蜜マヨネーズ。これいける。これでやってみよう。Okay, let's try to make easy dressing. 白ごま大さじ4杯。Okay, that's it. Okay, 白ごま大さじ4。白ごまはこれは普通のごますりごまでいいのかな。Maybe the powder one, it's okay, I think. ごまをするから書いてある。それめんどくさいのでそうするのはめんどくさいので、これでじゃあ何人分だろう。そんなに多くなくていいよね。 I think this is alright. Soy sauce. うまっ。めっちゃ美味しい。It's super good. It came really, really good again. Everything is perfect today. あ、全部美味しい。困った。天才かもしれない。I always think after I finish cooking, I think I'm genius. I'm not really good at I don't have really my skill of making food, but it's my sense. センスが良すぎる。あ、きみちゃんヤッホーありがとう。Thank you for coming. 適当に作った割にはマジでうまい。これが一番これ This ごまだれドレッシング is perfect. これはね I think it's better just put like before start eating. So I'm not gonna put it on here. Maybe when I wanna take a picture. I think I'm gonna tweet about it later. これ後でツイートするから。全部美味しい。きみちゃんヤッホー。So if you like this kind of stream, you should definitely go to Kimi-chan's place too. Kimi-chan is making dinner, doing kitchen stream too. Kimi-chan もね、Kimi-chanめっちゃ料理うまいからみんな見に行った方がいいよ。うん。